Hey everyone, welcome to the basic tutorial of MS Word. This is for absolutely beginners who would like to start MS Word. So we will go through first of all to create a new document, formatting of text and paragraphs, inserting images, creating tables, and save your workbook file, this file. Okay, so we will introduce you these parts. So the first part that we would like to go and introduce you that is navigation. It means let's first of all open MS Word file. For the first time, whenever you open MS Word, you will face with this interface. So here you have the templates, more templates, built-in templates that you can use. And now we will click on blank document. I will open a blank document. After opening this, now it has three parts. The first part is ribbon. Look at this area. This is ribbon with us. Okay, these tabs that we have, these are the command and tools. Down we have the text, the document area. This is the document area, and down from that we have status bar. This is status bar where we have number of words, pages, and language, and the how to display it, and the zoom option. So now this was the navigation that we have three parts in our MS Word document. Now let's insert text. Whenever you would like to insert a text, so click somewhere, for example here or somewhere else, just click there and insert the text like welcome to the MS Word tutorial. Now let's, after writing this text, now let's format this. Okay, it means to format this text. Select your text and just come here to this font area. Here you can increase the size, change the font, change the size like this, decrease that, and change the color. You can change the background, like change the color, you can change the background. Here you can change the background, and also bold that. You can bold that, italic that, underline. So here are different options about related to formatting. Okay, you can bring this text to the center, like here in the paragraph section, bring to the center, to the right side. This is for justify, to justify it, back to the left side. So it is about the text formatting tools. Now sometimes we want to add these bullet okay, to add these bullet points. So for that, just come here, for example, processor types. So down from this we have two parts. Okay, let's now use these bullet points. The first one is NVIDIA, the second one is the, for example, Intel. Like this, you can add bullet, you can change these bullet points to numbers also, like 1 2, you can change it to ABC or some things you want. If you would like to just remove the space, you can use these options. Okay, for example, look at, we have removed space, we have added the space, indentation. So here space between these lines, look at, you can space before paragraph, remove space after paragraph. So these are different options that you can apply and it. So after that, now let's insert images. Okay, we would like to insert an image. So for that, just come here to the insert tab, to the images. So here from this device, come here to the download, and for example, this is the image that I would like to insert. Like now you can move this image. Okay, you can't move. So for that, just click this option. So after pressing that, just come here, select this, okay, in front of text. Now you can move this image. Look at, you can move this image wherever you want. So you can move this image like this, decrease the size, place it here. So this was the image part. So after the images, now let's, if you would like to create a table, so for creating table, again just come here to the insert, to the table. So here you can insert a table by specifying rows and columns, but I will select these rows and columns. So let's, for example, we have created the table. So here you can design it. You can use these different tools just to add the design to your table. So it was all about the basic tutorial about MS Word. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.